Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I changed the name to Don's Random Videos because the Don's Life channel name was already taken and I didn't want to use that. So anyways, back to the Project Spitfire here. Let's get going. What I've been thinking about doing is extending the frame because there's pretty much just not enough room. Just gonna cut it probably here and in here somewhere. It's gonna be the best bet. I was kind of thinking here, but then I'm gonna have to do all this stuff and that's gonna be a pain. So I think here, and then this bar on the other down tube, I'm just gonna weld it back in. It'll be the easiest. So we'll cut it in here and in here. Just extend it maybe, I don't know, say about 3-4 inches. I'll do it. Alright, so I got this stuff here, lawnmower handles, cool. Five and a half. And 11. Let's do that. Sweet. Yes. It's gonna work, buddy. Alright, so yeah. These, they're tight, but I'm gonna cut down this way. So slit them so they can open up, be tapped on there an inch. I can also do a plug. I'm gonna drill a hole in each of them, do a plug weld. Yeah, grind the paint off, be sweet. These will work just fine. That's decently thick enough. Yeah, pound it on the bar and make it spread a little bit. Hey everybody, I just thought I'd add a little voiceover for the last part of this video. Partly because my drill press is really loud and I was rambling on about little things, this and that. about tools I had built and converted, and also my camera had died because I hadn't used it in a while, and I forgot to charge the video camera all the way, and I didn't end up doing an outro for this video, but I didn't get all the video footage I wanted to because my camera had died, and I didn't do much after the drilling footage that you saw here. I did put those slider or extendable pieces on the frame in place and get them welded after I grinded the paint down, and they worked really well. In the next video I do some modifications to them because I modified the top bars on the frame, cutting and moving them to create more space for the engine, which you guys will get to see. But I just wanted to say thanks for watching, and I really appreciate you guys subscribing if you choose to do so, and commenting down below if you want to. But thanks for being here, and hope you come back for more. Have a good one.